This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Slide the driver's seat forwards, unclip the wheel brace and remove the vehicle jack. Open the rear door and use the wheel brace to lower the spare wheel cradle. Disengage it from the hook, then lower the cradle and remove the spare wheel. Unclip the wheel chock from the spare wheel and place it against the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then use the wheel brace to rotate the jack spindle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts, remove the cap and wheel. Locate the spare wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert the wheel bolts, refit the cap, then lightly tighten the bolts. Rotate the jack spindle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts securely. Remove the chock and clip it into the wheel. Manoeuvre the wheel into place, then lift the cradle and engage it with the hook. Rotate the lifting mechanism clockwise and raise the cradle. Check the cradles secure. Stow the vehicle jack and wheel brace.